Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis. This is the story about when my Neo get crashed and went crazy without I don't know what happened. If you can see this is the log because I didn't record the screen of my phone so this is the log. And I flew the Neo without satellite connection, and they connect to the satellites about 3 or 4 blocks away. And if you can see the ATTI mode is on, but the Neo went crazy. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. It just I lost the control of the drone. And if you can see in the log, the Neo went crazy, going around. If you can see the blue arrow turning around with no point. Honestly, thank God it crashed near to me, and I pick it up. So if you can see, then I flew out again. I only. If you can see in this case, in this image, the Neo flew very well, but you can see the crash get some damage and yeah, some kind of scratch and hits. But then another day I flew up the Neo and it turns crazy again with no reason. Honestly, I swear of God, I was only moving the left stick and not the right stick, only putting up the Neo. And look, if you can see, look the movements. Only moving one stick. So I put it down. I put it down the drone, and then I get calibrate the EMU and the compass. And then flew it again, and if you can see the flight is normal in that moment, and it seems like the flight is smooth, and I think that was the reason. But if I turn down the gimbal, I noticed some kind of movement that is not quite good. So I don't know what happened there. Maybe you can see that circle movement for the gimbal. Let me show you later. Look, that kind of just only turn down and turn up the gimbal. Not the drone is not moving. The drone is on the drone is landing at that moment, but I noticed that. Another day in another flight, I did these shots for this church, and it's quite good. No issues, no problem. But I noticed this movement of the gimbal. Look that circle movement, going up, going down. Look that circle, that kind of circle or something. Whoop, yeah. So I said, something's wrong. Something's happened. That's not okay. The drone is not okay. After that hit, after that crash. So I have to do something about that because that's not normal. You can see that movement. So that's not normal. So I'm not a technician. I'm not a professional of this drone. So I just only have the tools, and I'm gonna start to open to watch videos on YouTube how to tear down the drone, and to see what happened, and to get there to the gimbal, and yeah, it turns that the damper mount was broken. If you can see, this side was broke. So there was two options.
order the new part and wait 3 or 4 weeks, or try to get some kind of glue to stick that to, yeah, you know what I mean, with super glue. And yeah, I did that with super glue, and I thought that it was okay because I get a little push trying to see, well, if there is okay, but then if you can see this fly later, after that, it seems like I feel like no, that is not okay. I don't know what happened. I did something wrong in the repair, and you can see there is the circle movement of the gimbal as well. Then I put down the drone. I don't know why I flew it again, the drone. I don't know why, but then it's getting worse. The situation is getting worse, because the drone again do the wrong movement. At this time I thought, man, I'm gonna lose this drone, because if you can see, there is some kind of rift besides when I was, and there is no way to get there. There's no access to that field. So you can see I thought that was the end of my Neo, but then with no reason I get again the control of the drone. So I put it down, and I was so kind of frustrated, because I did a lot of work with that. And then I figured, I opened the drone again and see what there was all okay. There was all that stick in the damper monitor was a stick. But then I said, you know what, Luis, you didn't calibrate the EMU and the compass as well again. So I did that. I did calibrate the EMU and the compass, and if you can see, this flight is pretty much good, and but the gimbal movement didn't convince me. If you can see, the movement of the gimbal is still not so hard like before, but it is still there. So I ordered the damper mount in AliExpress. So it's coming around 2 weeks, but at this moment the Neo is working. But I feel like this drone is not so trust drone, because of the movements, the crazy movements. It's not only me, you know. There is a lot of reports around the world that is all of the people saying that the drone is, the behavior of the drone is like my drone. So I think that's maybe you must to calibrate the EMU and the compass every time you remember to do that. So this is my story. If DJI is hear this or watching this, please do something with the firmware, or do something, because this is kind of the issue, a firmware issue or something, or software issue. But right now I'm flying my Neo with fear, you know what I mean? Because these drones are not cheap. Well, maybe in other places around the world, maybe other guys can say that this is a cheap drone, but in Latin America are not cheap. So if you guys want to see the whole video of the repair, just let me know in the comment section, and I will put this in YouTube with the whole video, and to show you how to fix this. Also, I'm waiting for the new part, so maybe it will be an update of the repair. thank you very much for watching. If you guys like this kind of video, please subscribe, it's free, and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, guys.